To delete a Facebook Business Manager account, you need to follow the simple steps. First of all, go to Facebook Business Manager and log into your account. Now click on the settings icon in the bottom left corner of the screen, which will take you to the business settings. Ensure that there are no active ad campaigns, pending transactions, or unresolved issues linked to your account. And you must have admin privileges to proceed with the deletion. Unlink any pages or any ad accounts or other assets from your business manager. Now, once at the business settings, tap on Business Portfolio Info in the top left of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to the business info. From these various options available, tap on Permanently Delete Business in the top right corner, and at the bottom of the business info section, click on Delete Portfolio, that is highlighted in blue color. Follow the prompts to confirm the deletion. Remember that deletion is permanent and cannot be reversed, and it may take up to 24 hours for the account to be completely deleted after you confirm. You cannot delete a business manager account if there are outstanding balances or unresolved issue. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.